Okay. So here we are at the farm. All right. We're going to do a test recipe for Moroccan chicken, flattened chicken. But you know what? As you can see, I only have a candle because it's in the middle of an ice storm. So we're cooking it inside the fireplace. Yay! It's going to be really, really good. Yummy. But the potatoes are really good.
What happened to the potatoes?
Because the fire's too hot. That's alright.
We still have the skin on them, so it's okay. We can take the meat off of the skin.
Yeah, it's all really good. As Julia Child says, it's okay.